Hi everyone. Let's learn some English words for transportation today. Train. We take the train to the city. Airplane. Aeroplane. The airplane is flying very high. Bus. We're taking the bus to school today. Car. I usually drive to work by car. Bicycle. Bike. She rides her bicycle to school. Taxi. Let's get a taxi to the station. Helicopter. A helicopter flew over the building. Motorbike. Motorcycle. He rides his motorbike very fast. Underground. Subway. I take the subway to work every day. Boat. We went for a ride in a small boat. Ship. They are traveling by ship across the sea. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.